Good morning, everybody. So I just wanted to talk to you guys for a few minutes this morning and explain and apologize for not having morning motivationals the last couple mornings. Either I've been busy or my fibro has flared up and my body doesn't want to get out of bed. And that's been how I've been feeling. My alarm goes off and I try and get out of bed, but I just physically can't. So I do want to apologize for not having those videos up and out to you guys in the morning. But I woke up and it's raining, and I figured I'd show you guys. This is the apartment complex I live in. That's the office there. The pool is over there. That's just a little place you can sit and grill. And then there's the laundry room. Obviously you can see palm trees. It's Florida. Gotta love the palm trees. And see, it's cloudy out. Yeah. Wish you could see the rain better. You can see it on the steps. So here's our aloe plant. Had it for a while. A little stepping stone over there. Yeah. But hubby's come home, so I just wanted to say hi and I love you guys, and wanted to apologize. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great Memorial weekend. Love you all. Bye.